What's going on, guys? It's Connor here from GG Studios. Today we are going to be learning how to make a Minecraft server for you and your mates, and also how to install mods. So what we're going to be doing is, right, so first you want to start off, I'm going to jump into it and all. It's not too complicated enough, and it's quite simple actually, when you get the hang of it. So yeah, right, so what you want to do, you want to download Minecraft Forge, which if you go onto your Internet Explorer, Minecraft Forge, link will be in the description. Right. Alright, so this is it. This is your Minecraft Forge right here. So you want to download the installer for Windows if you have Windows, or the installer for that. I would recommend downloading the recommended one, not the latest. It's not as reliable as this one, so download that one. Anyway, right, we're going to be clicking off that. So what you have here, I've already downloaded it, so there's no point. So this is the Forge 1.8.jar. So what you want to do is, you are going to want to make a folder. You want to create, I'm just going to call it tutorial. Sorry, I'm terrible at spellings. Yeah, again, I probably did it wrong again. Alright, so what you're going to want to do, if you haven't installed Forge for your Minecraft client, it's quite simple. Oh, sorry there, take two. So you want to install the client, you want to go on your %app data, check if it's there, open up your Minecraft, and when you open up your Minecraft, it will be like a Forge, and if you go, it will be like in your profile Forge. Then you'll open up, and to get actually mods, you just download the mod. For example, if I like the Stephanus guns, I would go into I would type run in on my little Windows thing, %app data okay, .minecraft, and you go down into your mods, and what you do, I've already got Pixelmon in there, you would drag your mod, your Stephanus guns, I don't know where that's went, Stephanus guns into there, and it will just normally work. And when you make the modded server, you actually have to have the exact same mods as the server, if not you can't join it obviously, and let's just move on from that. So to install the server, you have to click on install server, and then this ain't good, it's red. So you want to change the location of it. So you want to go to desktop, and you want to find the folder that you put it in. So tutorial, and then open. And then you want to click OK. Right guys, I'm going to make a cut here because this does take quite a long time to download, and we'll be back right now. Okay guys, we are back, sorry about that. Okay, so basically, so it's downloading and stuff, you end up with these. You get a Minecraft server, Forge, and a libraries. You're not going to open up your Minecraft server, and then you're going to wait. And it should come up with a couple of things. It should come up with all this stuff. See, I'm gonna say an error. What does it? Just came up with a couple of things. And you're going to get a ULA. So what you're going to do, you're going to just click true on the ULA. Or the EULA. Which, click true, then click Minecraft server. And this is going to come up. And you're going to get all these files, okay? So it's generating the world. So this is basically going to load up. I'm sorry if I'm a bit quiet, this is a lot of loading stuff really. So you're going to want to click stop, as you see here, to stop the server. You always have to do this, if not it'll mess up your server. You're going to want to click enter. It's going to be saving the world. Give it a second. There you go. So now, what you have here, so now what you want to do, you want to click your Forge. Click on Forge. This is to get the mods installed. So that's got a mods folder there. So now, what you want to do, you want to make, hold on, let me get this bit of code here. Start that. So you want to make a brand new text document. It's just call it anything you want. I call it a start. Just call it start. Open it up, and I'm going to copy and paste this bit of text in. I will put the bit of text in the description, but at the moment, whatever server, like whatever version you're on, yeah, you're going to have to change it to that name. Okay? If you want the modded server, for example, you would actually have to change it to the modded server name. That's the modded server. If you want to open up your modded server, that's how you open it. I forgot to stop this. So either way, you're going to want to have to stop it each time. Either way. So if you want your modded server, you click Forge. If you want your Minecraft server, click Minecraft server. There you go, easy beans. Alright, so file. You save as. You do not want a text document. You go on all files. You want to call it a start.bat file, and then save. You want to go on the start.bat. So now you're going to wait a second. It's going to start up your server. But the reason you do this is because if you look, why is this being so weird? So if you look at this, this is how much RAM you want to run into your server. For the purpose of this video, I only want 1 because I'm not really doing anything with it. So yeah, you have to change it to whatever gigabyte you want. Say, it depends how much RAM you have on your computer, you're going to have to check that. So now, you've got the server working and stuff like that. Now, what you want to do, you're going to have to, I minimize that, you're going to have to go on your run again, but you want to have to write in cmd, click enter. And now what you want to do, you want to type in ipconfig. This is a port forwarding, this is by any chance, guys, so it depends what router you have. Go click off this video if you have to go check for what sort of router you have or whatever. Just depends. Just go search another video on YouTube for a different tutorial, say if you have a Sky router, but I have a Virgin Media one. And I'm going to be sort of censoring out my IPs in case any DDoS is out there. So you'll see this thing called the default gateway. You're going to want to do Control C. Now what you want to go and do, Internet Explorer. Type in your thing on the top left, and I'll paste it, and then click enter. So now, you're going to come up with a password here. This is what it is. Sorry there. This is what it is. So you're going to have a password underneath your router if you've got the modernized Virgin Media router. So it's going to be my password. I'm going to censor it out, but it should be at the bottom of your router if you guys want to go check. So now it's going to be doing, it's going to say this page is loading, please wait for a moment. So you're now going to want to wait. In the meantime, you can maybe, I don't know, just pause the video or whatnot. Or even skip to a certain minute of the video. Right, so we're here. So what you're going to want to do, you're going to want to go on the advanced settings. You're going to want to go on security and port forwarding. Right here. So this is it here. So right, you're going to have to want to go back onto CMD and you're going to want to find your IPv4 address. Find that, copy, and then you're going to want to paste it. And then what you want to do for your port, you're going to want to do 25565, and do it for all 4 of them. And do it on both, protocol on both. And it should say enabled, and then press add. I've already added it down here, which is down there. So you click add, then you don't want to have to touch this entirely, unless your IPv4 address changes, which it does tend to change, I'll warn you. You're going to have to want to go back on here. But for the meantime, I'll just keep that like that for now. So now what you want to do, you don't need this anymore, so just click off it. So yeah, this is how you make a server. And anyway, so also, to get your friends to join, what you want to do is go on Google. Sorry, my... stupid... You're going to want to type in what's my IP. It's going to come down here and it's going to say, this is the IP that your friends type in to join your server. Okay? So when you look at it, I'm going to censor this out yet again. So when you find it, it's going to say, it's going to show this IP. Your friends type that in on their little search bar and they should find your IP and your server. So now, as you see, this is the server properties. This is where you want to, if you want to change anything, like your motto for your server and all that stuff. So yeah, guys, thank you for watching, and yeah, cheers, and I'll see you later. This is how to make a server. Peace.